A cable tensioner has a very interesting design. One side has a right-hand thread and the other has a left-hand thread. By rotating the middle section, you can lengthen or shorten the mechanism. The clamping strength depends on the size of the bolts. Thus, by securing or welding the necessary attachments on both ends of the cable tensioner, you can create any mechanism that works either for tightening or, conversely, for stretching or pushing. In this way, you can make any mechanism from a cable tensioner by adjusting the thread size and the shape of the end fittings to suit your needs. In this particular case, I will be making woodworking clamps from a cable tensioner. I will be making the end fittings using the trend Mortise and Tenon jig. I'm using a 16mm straight bit and a 22mm guide bushing, which allows me to make 16mm dog clamps. Then on the miter saw, I cut them to the required length. I'm drilling on a milling machine. It's a very convenient tool. The speed is precisely adjustable and it's extremely accurate for drilling. It's also easy to adjust. The only downside is that when drilling with hole saws, it lacks a bit of power. It can also handle wood milling up to 16mm directly in the chuck without changing the taper. Actually, I can't even remember the last time I used my drill press. In this case, I'm using a 10mm bolt and drilling a 9mm hole. It screws in nicely, and if needed, you can add a little glue for extra hold. Installation is quick and easy. The end fittings can be given any shape. By adjusting their height and form, you can adapt these homemade clamps to absolutely any of your needs. They can easily hold a workpiece of any shape securely to your workbench. This way, you can quickly and cheaply create the clamps or mechanisms you need. The great thing about a cable tensioner is that it works equally well in both directions, tightening and loosenings. And when tightening, you can use a wrench if necessary. Earlier, I even made a simple and reliable router lift for my table from a cable tensioner. It doesn't require any modifications to the router. You can visit my channel to see how to make it.